Hi everybody, it's Jeanette and I am here to demonstrate how to access SPSS. SPSS is an important statistical software we'll utilize to run analyses for this class. MSJC changed the way that we access our SPSS software. We're going to access it through AppStream. Now, AppStream is effectively a portal where MSJC can stream application access to us. And so SPSS is there for us to access. It does not mean that we will be able to download the software per se, but it does mean that through MSJC's portal, we can now have access to the software to run our analyses. So I am going to show you what you're seeing here to the left is these AppStream instructions, which is a step-by-step guide on how to access, or you can watch the video and follow along with the video, whichever you prefer. So the first thing I'm going to do, step one, is I need to have the MSJC homepage open. So here I have that to the right. I'm going to click Login, and I'm already logged in. It knows that. So otherwise the screen will pop up asking for your sign in and your password, and it's the same information from your Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find this icon right here. This icon where it says MSJC AppStream, ArcGIS, and SPSS. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on the IBM SPSS. And this is just a default from my particular computer because I have some notification blocks. And now it's going to take a while to process, okay? So since we've done that, we're going to move on to step two. And you're seeing that it's just processing, right? We clicked on the IBM. And now we are just letting it process. We're going to wait for a final window to pop open. It's actually step three, not step two, I'm sorry. And it's going to take a little while, and that's okay. Just be patient. Good time to pop onto, your email, social media, something else, and check on your posts in your feed. This is the symbol you should see. This is the IBM symbol. It's actually the summation notation symbol as well if you're a mathematician or a math guru. And now it's going to tell us we are applying the existing license. And again, I have a pop-up because I have some blocking, protections and settings on my computer. And here we are. We are now in SPSS. And so what you want to do if you are going to now input data for an assignment is you're going to click on New Data Set and you're going to click on Open. And now you have access to SPSS. Now I do want to be mindful that what you're doing here is you're accessing SPSS through MSJC. This is not on your computer. So I put an important disclaimer down here that I want you to know that you can't really save and access, you can't really save data files and access them later reliably and dependably because you're doing this through a portal of the college. So what I would really prefer that you do is when you run your analyses and you're in your output, then what you're going to do is you're going to do screenshots, or you're going to copy and paste the information from your output into a Word doc for your own records, or directly into your homework assignments if it's for an assignment submission. And then you'll save that. You can also save the output as a PDF file, but it gets very long and cumbersome. And so it's really easier just to screenshot, snag the information that you need from the output, embed it directly into your homework assignment, save that Word doc, and then submit the Word doc. That is the most effective way. And when you're ready to use SPSS, because it's not on your computer and it's more difficult to save and retrieve files later, or it may not be as reliable to do that, then I think it's important that you're budgeting your time. So when you're ready to use SPSS, make sure you have enough time to finish an assignment through completion. You don't want to start in the middle and then lose it and not be able to access it, and then you have to start all over from the beginning again. So those are just my little pieces of advice for you. Hopefully this works well. Please let me know if you have any challenges, and I will actually be the one that will teach you and guide you through how to use SPSS for the purpose of running statistical analyses. If you have problems accessing it, if your computer has special blocks or it becomes more problematic for you to gain access to the software, then you can go ahead and call tech support through the college, and that resource is at the bottom of our homepage in our Canvas shell. Otherwise, if you're looking for direction and instructions on actually how to run SPSS and use SPSS for the purpose of your homework assignment, I'm going to be the one that will guide you through that. And our tech people do not know how to use the software, so they will help you access it, and I will help you utilize it. Okay, I will look forward to learning SPSS and learning statistics and methods with you. Thanks so much. Bye.